Garlic chive is another vegetable that grows year-round in Texas, south of Texas. It adds wonderful aroma to the food, whatever dish you cook. By the way, it is also perennial. In other words, you only need to grow it once. It will keep coming back year after year. It likes water quite a bit, so keep somewhere a little bit shady or with a moist land. For the salad, we like to add a little bit of sweetness inside. Loquat is in season right now, so I'll cut some of them. Okay, we wash the vegetable, fruit, the loquat. Now I like to show you how to peel it. It's actually quite simple. So you just do like this way. Peel the skin off. Inside, there is a core. So you need to take that out. Use a knife, gently chop it, and get the seeds out. Okay, so the rest of them are edible. Okay. Now I'm going to chop the vegetables. This is garlic chive. I chop it into the small pieces. Same thing for the lettuce. This looks like a lot for 2 people. Another ingredient is actually noodle. All kinds of noodle will be okay. Spaghetti works well too. So I'll take a handful. Also depends on how much you like. Somewhere like that to boil. While we're waiting for water to boil to cook the spaghetti, I'm going to introduce some seasoning. So this is a pepper paste. It's quite spicy. We grow in the yard. We make ourselves. Next time I'll show you. Salt, pepper, and sugar. This is a rosemary garlic oil I pre-made. set it aside. Spaghetti is ready. I'll just take it out. Now we'll use the scissor to chop it into small pieces, or you can use a knife. I'm going to add spaghetti into the vegetable. Since spaghetti is still a little hot, it will kind of seam the vegetable lightly, make it perfect, the tenderness. I can put all the seasonings inside and stir it. You can season it for the taste to see if it's salty enough for you, or you need to add some sugar in. On the top, we garnish with the loquat we just peeled off. Okay, that is a spring salad.